We're at Vectors 2019, and joining me on the program today, Jeff Dworkin. Jeff, welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
So this morning here at Vectors, SkySwitch's user conference, one of the announcements that we saw was the launching of a new alliance, the Cloud Voice Alliance. Jeff, tell me about that.
Sure. Well, the Cloud Voice Alliance is an industry group designed to help the smaller resellers or the independent resellers of cloud voice services compete in this growing world made up of these giant multinational companies with huge marketing budgets. And people forget that there's still a local option. In the same way you used to buy your PBX from a local guy, you can also get your cloud services from a local guy and get that level of service and business familiarity and personalization that you liked when you had a premise-based system instead of having to go to a Verizon or an 8x8 or someone like that where you're basically just, it's machinery where they set you up, they provision you, and you never talk to the same people a second time. Here, you've got a team of local people to take care of your business, and they're local, so everybody works together, and we're here to promote that to make sure that the members are well supported with their marketing and sales efforts, and that the people and that the potential customers know that that option certainly exists.
So it sounds like what you're telling me, there's a lot of these larger vendors out there who make it very easy. Go online, put in a few pieces of information, and boom, you've ordered yourself a cloud phone system. You're saying that not all local customers want that?
No. Again, a lot of people, that's all well and good as long as everything works perfectly every time. But the first time there's a problem, the first time there's an issue, the first time you don't quite understand maybe even what you really need, you have no one to talk to. With the members of the Cloud Voice Alliance, you can call a local person who may come over to your office and walk you through it or do the training or show you what you need. You're not going to get that kind of service from the bigger guys, and that's what this is all about.
Is the organization local, regional, and what's the future hold as far as growth and geography?
Well, our members are from all over the country. We have over 450 resellers signed up already, representing 200,000 cloud-based unified communication seats. So they are all participating. We're working out what's the best thing we can do for them. This is not about me or anybody else telling the members what they need. This is them saying, as a group, we need this kind of support or this kind of training material. And again, by pooling all our resources together, we can create the kind of stuff that will help them compete against those big nationals and multinationals, but still be able to offer the personal service of a local business.
Why here? Why do the launch here at Vectors 2019?
Well, SkySwitch obviously sees the value of what we're doing. And many of their resellers or their partners fit the category that we're talking to here. These are companies that have an average seat installation between 10 and 30 seats. And they're big enough that you don't want to do it yourself, but they're not big enough to be an enterprise play, which all these bigger companies want to go after. So again, the SkySwitch resellers, the SkySwitch community are the people who need us. They want, and we all want to work together, and SkySwitch sees that, and they were very kind to allow us to launch here and let you and the world and all their resellers know what we're doing.
Well, it certainly sounds like the right approach to what we know is a huge opportunity, that small and medium-sized business space looking for a very useful and cost-effective cloud communication solution.
Mm-hmm. And again, it's about the personalization of the service. Anybody can implement technology, but when you need, and again, when it's working well, it all works well. But when there's a problem and you need someone to help you now and today, you want to call somebody from down the street. Hey, your kids might play baseball together. It's really a community, and it's the local aspect and the true personalization and business people knowing each other that we think is really going to make this thing work, not the machinery and that the bigger companies have to do or have to do business in order to make their margins and pay for their commercials and all that other marketing stuff. This is all about that local level of personalized service that used to be part of the phone business, but really hasn't been for a little while.
How do new prospective resellers go about getting more information if they're interested in becoming a member?
Just go to the Cloud Voice Alliance website. That's cloudvoicealliance.com, and there is a new member information or sign up for information button. You fill out the form, and believe it or not, it comes right to me, and I'll give you a call, and we'll talk.
Excellent. Well, Jeff, thanks for joining me here, and enjoy the rest of the week at Vectors.
All right, thank you. Talk to you soon.